Hi, everyone, and welcome. Ever feel like you're starting at a math problem filled with tiny numbers floating everywhere? Those are exponents, and they are not as tricky as they look. Today, we are going to master the laws of exponents. First, a quick refresher. An exponent just tells us how many times to multiply a number by itself. So, 5 to the power of 3 is just 5 times 5 times 5, which equals to 125. But what happens when you need to multiply or divide terms with exponents? That's where the rules come in. First up, the product rule. When you multiply terms with the same base, you just need to add their exponents. So x raised to 2 times x raised to 3 equals x raised to 2 plus 3, which is raised to 5. Next, the quotient rule. When you divide terms with the same base, you subtract the exponents. So y raised to 8 divided by y raised to 5 equals y raised to 8 minus 5, which is equal to y raised to 3. What if you have a power raised to another power? That's the power rule. For this, you multiply the exponents. So a raised to 4 raised to third power becomes a raised to 4 times 3 equals a raised to 12. Now, for two special rules, first the zero exponent. Anything raised to the power of 0 is always 1. Always. And the negative exponent rule, a negative exponent means you flip it. To make the exponent positive, you move the term to the bottom of the fraction line and change the power or the exponent into a positive exponent. Now, let's do a super fast recap. When you multiply, you add exponents. When you divide, you subtract. A power to a power, you multiply. Anything to the zero power is 1. And a negative exponent gets flipped. Thank you.